Hey guys, Ryan here with Agri Drones. I'm going to be showing you guys two methods to create plots and boundaries on the EA Vision CRM, which is the online portal. So, two methods we're going to be looking at is the orthophoto map, as well as the plot management section. So we're going to start in the plot management. Let that load up here. Pulls this up. Just tap off the screen, go over to your location here. You can see Google Maps is on here now, so you can actually see where we're wanting to head. So for us, that is Columbia. We're over here. We're right here, but we're going to just use this field, so we want to spray this field. On the right side, we're going to hit Map. It's going to bring up a whole new section again. So we've got our crosshair middle of the screen. We're going to just do a basic field here. So you got a plus button at the bottom middle. You've got bottom right, you've got plot, obstacle, and spray zone. So we're just going to do plot to start with. Hit add. Go to the other end of the field here, hit add. Obviously get as detailed as you want to here. And then we'll just do that, so to say. And let's just say we want to now do an obstacle. Say that's a group of trees there. Use your imagination. And then if we want to do no spray zone for this area here, we can. Again, use your imagination. So what we're going to do there is go ahead and hit upload plot. Your demand is going to be any demand you have sitting here. Click on it, hit confirm at the right. Your land name, so we're going to call this map 123. Crop type, we're going to do wheat. So again, confirm. Crop category, low. Landforms, this is a flat field. Power cord is, again, this is going to be renamed to something like wires, but we do not have wires up in the field. This is all, wording is going to be changed. Don't worry about that. For now, functionality is what we're focusing on. Confirm upload. All right, once you confirm upload, we can hop over to our drone screen here and hit auto as long as you're on that same account and still connected to the internet. We're going to hit our field, tap over, go to fields, swipe down from the screen, and bam, there is our field that we just did. So we can hit operate or survey and edit what we want to there. And now I'm going to go and show you guys the second way to do this. So we'll minimize that, go back to our other screen here, go to orthophoto map, and this is if you're doing an ortho mosaic overlay. It's a little bit of a different process. We're working on with them to get this combined to be just similar. So if you already have one here, we're going to hit enter map. If you don't already have one here, watch the other video that I just made, and that will show you exactly how to get a map overlay onto your remote. So we're going to enter map. This is our overlay that we just did. Going to hit new plot, bottom right. Click on your demand, which again was a default for me. So now we've got our cursor as our crosshairs, and you can see our map's a little bit updated here. And it is much quicker, this method here. And then same thing here with boundary, obstacle, no spray zone, same thing. So once you have that created, go ahead and hit upload plot. Again, name it something. Type, drop-in menu, go to low. Depends on what you're doing, obviously, here. And this is more of just record keeping. This is record keeping as well as the help for your train following, stuff like that. Presence of wires. There are no wires here. So kind of the other one said power cord. Presence of wires, same thing. Except, again, read your options. No and have. So there are no wires in here. Accuracy is automated to high precision. The other one said normal. This is high precision because we have an orthomosaic map in here. Hit OK. Now you got a map in here. So we'll go back to our remote. Going to swipe down from the top of the screen. Bam. Map 456 that we just did 30 seconds, not even 30 seconds ago, is already there. That's all just through the cloud as an instant operation. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks.